Hi, I'm Rinaldo Venuti. I'm a soloist with the Polish National Ballet and a former student of the Vienna State Opera Ballet Academy. I can't come up with a specific name because I've been inspired by so many dancers at the beginning of my career, now, and even before my career has started. But I remember a particular event that made me realize that's what I wanted to be. I was 14 or 15, around that age, and I got the opportunity to watch my first performance at the Vienna State Opera. And I remember the dancers' passion and love on stage, and that exact moment made me realize that that's what I wanted to do. So I was inspired by them. I was inspired by their love. I believe the biggest inspiration that my teacher has given me is probably passion. She always taught me to do it with passion. She always taught me to love what I was doing, and also to believe that nothing is impossible if you really want it. And to work hard, to uh, believe in the process, and to be patient. So yes, that's what she has taught me. And I was also lucky enough to work with so many different teachers and to get so many different lessons by each of them. Whenever I get to learn a new role, it's always very exciting because you get to get into a new persona, a new process. So what I like to do is to really understand what the role is, to really understand the message that I have to give being that role, and I really care to also put a bit of myself in that role. And obviously, the technical part comes with working hard on it every day. I think partnering is probably one of the most fun parts in my career because I get to connect with that person. I get to create something with that person, and I think the quality that my partner should have and what I should have for my partner is to to really trust each other, to listen to each other, to find a way that makes us both feel good, and to connect to a deeper level, and that's how we can create magic on stage. I try every time to be a very positive person so that anytime I have to face some difficulties in my career, which can be an injury or anything that let you down, I take that as an advantage. I take that as a moment to understand, and eventually I make sure I get out of that situation stronger than before. I believe we are all different, and that's what makes us special. But if I have to say what's my talent, what made me special in my way, I would probably say my thinking, because I never put any limits in myself, and that allowed me to improve all the rest. And also the love that I have for ballet. If I would have to give some advice to younger students, it would probably be to dream big, to listen to your teacher, to listen to your body, to do everything with passion and determination. I would like close this video by wishing you a lot of good and positive energy and a good mindset in this hard time. And I would also like to thank my director, Miss Simona NOJA, for giving me the opportunity to go abroad and eventually build who I am today, and for letting me share some messages with all of you.